Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find your posts that you posted on the Haunt event, sorry, on Dress to Impress. So you're actually going to go out of the game and you're going to type the Haunt on Roblox, select play, and you're just going to go in. Well, you don't have to go in, but you can go to my posts here and you'll be able to see all the pictures you posted on Dress to Impress to the event. So here's my cute submission. I got this one wrong. It's okay. I just posted this one and I posted this one. So you're going to basically post things that are in theme on the event. You can also delete it if you'd like to. I've not been able to delete it, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.